Acid rain is rain made acidic by certain pollutants in the air. It's caused by a chemical reaction that begins when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the air. These substances can rise very high into the atmosphere, where they mix and react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form more acidic pollutants known as acid rain. Power plants release the majority of sulfur dioxide and much of the nitrogen oxides when they burn fossil fuels, such as coal, to produce electricity. In addition, the exhaust from cars, trucks, and buses release nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide into the air. Acid rain can be extremely harmful to forests as it spreads slowly into the ground and dissolves nutrients that trees need. Furthermore, it causes aluminium to be released into the soil, which makes it difficult for trees to take up water. Acid rain can also have damaging effects on many objects, including buildings, statues, monuments, and cars. The most notable effects occur on marble and limestone, which are common building materials found in many historic structures, monuments, and gravestones. Sulfur dioxide can react directly with limestone in the presence of water to form gypsum, which eventually flakes off or is dissolved by water. Acid rain can dissolve limestone and marble through direct contact. Scientists have found different ways to reduce the amount of sulfur dioxide released from coal-burning power plants. One option is to use coal that contains less sulfur. Another option is to wash the coal to take away some of the sulfur. An excellent way to reduce acid rain is to produce energy without using fossil fuels. Instead, people can use renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Thank you for your time. See you soon.